Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another Czech Beads exclusive monthly subscription. Now last month, I got the Happy New Year box and I ended up making 2 tassels and a necklace, and it was actually an interchangeable tassel necklace. And even though I used a lot of beads in those 3 things and other materials from the box, I still had a bunch of beads left over. So I'm really excited about this box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And by the way, I will leave the website for this box in case you're interested in it down there in the description bar, so you can go and check it out for yourself. So let's see what the theme is of this month's box. It is Dreams of Love box. Ooh. And there are 27 items in this box. Okay, now before I've gone through all the items and then I ended up figuring out what they were all named, and I put them in order, and then I come back and I tell you what everything is. So I'll do that again. So this here are little tag charms. You put these on the end of a necklace or bracelet. If it has an extender chain, you just put that onto the end there. And they say handmade. Those are so cute. And it's antique brass. I love antique brass. I've been using that a lot. And here are some Czech rings. Now I've gotten these before from Czech Beads exclusive in a Picasso color. There's a mixture of Picasso. It's like 50 grams. I've used them in my tutorials already, but they're really incredible beads. These here are a different color. And they have that new texture on them. They're pretty cool. So those are awesome. And then, oh my gosh, what are these? So these are like crow beads, and they have that texture on them that those beads just had. These are really neat. And these would work with my loopy leather, the Celtic bracelet I did. And so would these. I actually used these in that bracelet. But because their holes are so large, these would be perfect for that. And there is a bunch in here, and I think that it would be enough to do that Celtic, loopy leather Celtic bracelet that I have a tutorial on. And there also is, ooh, more charms, and it's in a gold color. That's awesome. Maybe I'll have all the colors in this box. Here are some Czech rondelles. They're two-tone. They're bronze on the whole sides, and then the middle is black. And I don't know if my camera is showing that because it doesn't like white. My camera just argues with white. Don't know why. It gets dark. When my camera sees white, it gets dark in color. I don't know if it's a setting or something. Oh my gosh. These are Picasso bugle beads. I have never seen Picasso bugle beads. They're jet Picasso. Or travertine. It's hard to tell the travertine and Picasso apart. They look the same to me. Those are gorgeous. And then we have some charms. Oh, these are so cute. They're little dogs. Are they the same color? Yes. Oh, it's a connector. There's 2. I thought it was just a charm. It's actually a connector. So last time I got the box, I used connectors like these to make the tassels. Those worked out awesome. Here are some more little tags. This is made with love. Those are different than the other ones. And flowers, the forget-me-nots, Czech flowers. Love these. And they look like copper. In my camera they look like a different color, but they're actually a copper color. I want to say that these are bigger than I got last time. Just a little bit bigger. And here are some melon beads in a purple color. Czech melons. Here are some Czech bellflowers. These are stunning. I would buy these in a heartbeat. I love that color. This color is kind of a rare color, believe it or not. This one here too. I've hunted these down a lot, and I don't find these colors very often. But I always go after these colors. This one's purple and this one's pink. They're so pretty. I have a Czech juk. I think it was called strawberry something. It's a 6mm Czech juk that has this finish on it, and they're just stunning. I've been hoarding them for a few years now. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. So in my last subscription box, I got these beads in blue, and I tried to use them, but I ended up not using them. These are actually a flower. These are beautiful. I really love these colors. And again, this is something that I would totally buy. I would totally pick these out if I was in the store. Oops. And remember, there's product codes on here. So if you're not interested in getting the box, but you see several things in here you want, you just have to put in this product code, and these beads would pop up. And I do believe that you get more, because I've done it myself. I've gone back and looked at things that I've gotten in the box, and I do believe that you get more than what is in this package. So like this here, you might get, not totally positive of this, but you might get like 10 or 12 of these beads instead of 4. You're probably going to be getting more. Oh, these are more of those crow beads. They're either crow or pony beads. This is like an opalite color. Those are beautiful. And again, those work in my bracelet. These are making me want to work in that bracelet. And these are these mushrooms. I think these might be the teardrop mushrooms. Yeah, I want to say they are. Those are cool. So there is a copper color over them. I want to say these are called, is it California? They call these a lot. Here are some hearts. I knew there was going to be hearts in these because the box is called Dreams of Love. So I just knew there was going to be hearts in here. These are Czech hearts. All of the beads in here are Czech because it's from Czech Beads exclusive. And here are some little charms. Oh, these are so cute. They say love. Antique brass color. And here are some more tags. Made with love. They're so cute. And more rondelles. I love Czech rondelles. They are the best quality rondelles that money can buy. They really are. They don't have sharp holes. These here are cool. This is a new shape that I have not seen. It's an oval shape. It's a table cut bead. So see here, when you look at it, they cut, after they make the bead, they cut the side of it right there. See that? That's why it's called a table cut bead. And they're all like that. They look like little bars of soap to me. Those are cool. And it's like a purple Picasso. Those are really neat. Okay, what else is there? Here are some more charms. These are like filigree. I gotta take these out. I can't see what the pattern is. Oh, these are pretty. There's hearts on them. They're actually like a dark gold or antique bronze, but they're shiny. So that's throwing me off. Those are pretty though. And you know, you could bead on these. You could attach the beaded flowers I make onto this if you wanted to. You could probably actually weave the flower onto these. And it would just be a base for you so you can make earrings out of the flowers. Here are some daggers. These are really pretty color. It's a matte brown. Actually, these aren't daggers. These are something else. I think these are called, it's not a spike. What is it? It's a different shape. It's not a dagger. There's another name for it. See, it doesn't have that paddle look to it. Maybe they are daggers. I don't know, but I want to say they are something different. It's like more of a spike, but there's Czech spikes that are like a pyramid shape. Actually, they're more like a cone shape. Here are some Czech hearts in the bronze color. These are beautiful. And then we have Czech fire polish beads. These are either 4 or 3 millimeter. I don't know why. It looks like it's in between. I want to say 3 millimeter. They look smaller than 4. Sometimes I've had strange beads where I couldn't really tell if it was like a 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, if it was a 6. So I end up measuring it, and it'll be like 3.5 millimeter with my caliper, the digital caliper. So sometimes there's weird measurements like that. So here are some crackled hearts. In my last Czech Beads exclusive box, I got these round crackle beads, and they were amazing quality because they weren't coated, and I'm pretty sure that these are not going to be coated either. It seems like Czech beads that are crackled do not have a coating. Oh my gosh, those are cool. Look at those. So these are more the table cut beads. They're the same shape and size as the other one, just a different color. Those are really cool looking. I like those a lot. And I have one bag left. Ooh, they're Drucks. Czech Drucks. And they're a really unique, pretty color. I want to say it's a matte iris brown, but I'm not sure. And I think that they're 10 millimeters. They are stunning. Those are beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to go through all of the beads on the list and see what everything is, and I'll be back. I have everything sorted out, and now I'm going to go through the list with you. So the first one is Rare Picasso flower beads, 14 millimeter, dog connector, 10 millimeter by 20.5 millimeter, flower pendants, 13 millimeter, heart-shaped beads, 6 millimeter, gold handmade charms, 8 millimeter by 7.5 millimeter, antique bronze handmade charms, antique made with love charms, 10 millimeter by 12 millimeter, hole is 1.5 millimeter, and then the bronze tone made with love charms, 10 millimeter by 12 millimeter, and again the hole is 1.5 millimeter. And then there is cracked heart beads. These are 7 by 8 millimeter. Hot dagger beads, 5 millimeter by 16 millimeter. Wow, those are long. Capri glass beads, 6 millimeter by 5 millimeter. So I was wrong. It wasn't the California color, it's the Capri. That's what I was trying to spit out, but I got it crossed. And then these here are called Czech tube seed beads, so they are bugle beads. They're 7 millimeter. And then there is AB pony beads, 8 millimeter. Lovely opal moonstone pony beads, 9 millimeter by 6 millimeter. And then there is the 10 millimeter Drucks, the mixed AB O-shaped large hole donut beads. They are 9 millimeter. The flower beads are 4 by 6 millimeter, and these are also the bellflower beads. They are 4 by 6 millimeter. The flat heart beads are 11 millimeter, and then they are calling these crystal fire polish beads, and they are actually rondelles, and they are 5 by 3 millimeter, and these are the same. They are they are rondelles, and they are 5 by 3 millimeter. And then there is the Czech glass beads. These are 3mm, and then the millimetres are 5mm, and then the forget-me-nots are 5mm, and the crystal table cut beads are 15 by 10mm, and these here are the same size, 15 by 10mm. These are also table cut. It's just an opaque red, a different color. And then the last thing on the list is the Love Charms, 12 by 7mm. So I just went through the whole list, and that's what everything is called. And I will say that some of the names are off. I've noticed from other boxes that some of the names were off, that it didn't actually match what the items were. And that's no big deal. I know what they are. So here is everything in the box. This is a lot of stuff. Every time I get this box, there is a lot of things in the box. And I'm really excited to see what I can make with this one. I got this one sent earlier than I usually do, so this should give me more time to work with it. And keep watching, and later on I'll do a tutorial on this. So this is it. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I will leave the link for the box. Right here is their website. I'll leave it down there in the description bar so you can go and check that out. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope if you found it helpful to you. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload a new video. And like me on Facebook, and don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.